Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm gonna show you the proper way of troubleshooting. So the first thing is to flush the DNS cache first. Let's clear the DNS cache to remove any outdated or corrupted entries. So you need to just open your command prompt and then run as administrator. And then type ipconfig/flush DNS. Press on enter. Okay, so successfully flush the DNA free silver. So this means the system has cleared out all the stored DNS that were saved from previous website. So if you didn't see this or if it doesn't work, don't worry, we'll try another method. So this is the step 2. So now we're going to reset the OneShock catalog. So sometimes network issues are caused by WinShock corrupted. To reset OneShock, you just need to type this command. Okay. Let's open another Okay, just type this command. Next WinShock reset catalog. Okay, successfully reset the one chapter 12. So you must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. And the next thing that you're gonna do is after running this command, restart your computer to apply to strangers. As you can see, the restart process begins at 0%. The system is